Okay, so this one is mobility from a camel pose. Starting on your knees, you're going to take about fingertips distance to the wall and start just turning your back towards the wall. I start in a twist, then I push my hip forward. So you're going to see I really want to try and tilt that pelvis forward, tug that tailbone under, and brace that ribcage down. Now I reach, I have my arms up, and then I'm going to twist to the other side. So what's important here is not just the twist, it's also each time, you see I push my hip forward, and then I'm going to try and slowly reach. So now we want to leave always one hand on the mirror. You're going to push and go a little bit lower. Then we come back. I like to leverage that twist here, so I kind of really like to pull that twist nice and strong each time to mobilize my spine. And I push forward, and then I reach a little bit lower. We're going to push the mirror of the ball away. In this case, it's a mirror. And then I'm going to twist back to the other side. So each time I try and go a little bit lower with each repetition. See here, I reach into the mirror. And I lower my hands and finger. Take a little moment of breath here. Yeah, so take those little moment each time as well. I'm going to do one more here. Nice little twist and circle your arm around. Push the wall away. And we slowly come back. There you go. So try and practice that either during your aero practice, or you can also do this before or after your class. This is really nice to work, but make sure you are warmed up before you do this exercise. Yeah. Okay.